Good morning! Ma'am Hope, good morning. Thank you. Wow. Miss Black, good morning. Thank you so much. Bisitahin ko mamaya yung channel mo, ma'am, ha. Ma'am Jen, TV Support, good morning. Seven o'clock pa lang, pero mainit na. Hi, Ma'am Goli. Goli Youngers, good morning. Congratulations, kagabi natulog ako maaga pero nakatambay. Good morning, Sir John Lee Wong Channel. Thank you so much. Po, Sir John Lee, I will visit your channel ha later. Promise. Sana siya tuyok-tuyok. Laki-laki ng watch hour natin. Madali na lang. Siguro by mid of May, Ma'am Jen Mix, Monica na. Wow, congrats in advance, Ma'am Jen Mix. Legal numbers. Salamat, ma'am. Ma'am Ann, kagabi wala bang important visitor? Di ba siya pumasok kagabi? Ma'am Ann, absent siya? Madali lang yan, Ma'am Jen. Ikaw na sunod. Ano katayin ko ngayon? Okay po. Thank you po, Ma'am Jen. Wala akong backup singer ngayon. So, ngayon mga moms. Good morning. Wow, 11 million in the house. Thank you so much. Ang ingay sa labas. May opening song ako sa inyo, pagpasensyahan nyo ng boses ko ha, mga moms. Iting ng iyong mata, ayokong tumingin. Kung umaga lang, kagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawat sa atin. Pasensya na po. Daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang mo, ba't bigla nang nawala? Daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Thank you, Ma'am Liz. Thank you so much. Half the world is sleeping, half the world awake, half can hear their hearts beat, half this hidden break. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been. Ask me what you want to know. And it's not inside, but the stars are out tonight, and you're bound to guide my way. When you're shining on my life, I can see a better the journey has been. I have been to sorrow and tomorrow. I can only guess through the darkness for a while. But the journey starts out tonight, and through on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkest in. Let trying hard ako kumanta. Oh, Day Kunyang, good morning. Let the journey it has. Ay, no. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn. But you're always care, you're always there. When there's no getting over that rainbow. So but I won't last a day without you. So many times forgot to be there if I need you, and I'll always smile. It's all worthwhile. When there's no getting over that hurts, won't last a day without you. Where the love will bring, I can rest on you. When you're near my heart, I can come just how I am. When I look at you, and I know that I couldn't learn to be without you. When your smile as a dream sword through, I can't take all the madness the world has to give. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smile is a dream so through, I can't take all the madness the world has to give. I won't miss a day without you. Stay without you. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. I enjoyed like a long lost friend. All songs I love so well. When they get to the part where it's breaking my heart, I can really make me cry just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was years gone by, and the good times that I had, make today listen to them, and I memorize its word. Those old melodies that sounded good to me. And even like there's a way, every Every shadow that we stand so far. It's like a what it's yesterday. So far. Hello, Mom Journey to a Helpful Life. Thank you so much. Nalapyo ako, Mom Journey. Tuig ako until now. Wow, 15 million in the house. Salamat. Nakutoy ko, Ma'am, kagabi. Nagano lang ko, nagtambay lang ko, kinapamatian ko lang kamo until natulugan ko. Nakabugtaw, kaya tapos na. Lobat ko kagapon, Mama. Hi, Ma'am 2K, Ma'am Guli, salamat. Until now, the wifi ko na ano na-relieve do ano kaano gani panawag kakapoy do kulutoy nga adlaw ang chika niyo ko kagabi wala ko. Ay, sige ma'am, thank you kid ma'am. Halong, may klase pag-ali siya kung Sabado ma'am, anak mo. Ay, sige, review sa UP. Wow. Sa UP gali siya man school, ma'am. May UP tira sa Davao, mamaw? Diri may required sa Pelsay. Mag-review sila sa... Ay, okay, ma'am. Sa Pelsay, gali siya. I-design gid ko ako niya nga course, ma'am ay. Ma-doctor siya, ma'am.
I'm strong, I'm sure, I'm in control, a lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say I do. Still I fumble and fall and into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a far out of control, just another fool. If you touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and touch again. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. It's wanting me look all over your. I'm just what to make me. Can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that I wanna be. I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school,
A life of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm further in the wind. And I can't wait to feel, to touch me again. With you, I'm just another one. Just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a far of control. Just another fool. You touch me, I am weak, I'm further in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touch me again. It's now just another one in love. I came to you and never asked too much. Wondering what you would not the rule I usually play. To speak too much of what's been going on. But you near me, holding you near me. Want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. Feels so right to get lost in love, but you open your heart tonight. We'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even much for you. I want to having you near me, holding you near me. Want you to stay, I never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you to feel so right. Having you near me, holding you near me. Want you to never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels kaya sige na siya. Playing with those memories again. I just let the thought time set me free. holding you, a feeling I never outgrown. Though it's in every part of me has tried, only you can feel that place. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. You just had thought I was over you. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh, baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Let's make the best of it alone. And then everything I can do is the pain. But only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was so on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through. And I just can't go on without. Go on without. I just could with. I miss the things you do. I just wanna get back closer to you. But for now, your voice is near enough. All days that pass me by so slow. All the empty around, and there's no way out. I just think so much of you. There was no doubt. I can wait forever. Hi, Ma'am Sunny. Kung nag-ikot-ikot na naman. Sana ikot-ikot. When it looked so life was wrong, you took my love and gave it somewhere to belong. I'll be here when hope is out of sight. I just wish that I was next to you tonight. And oh, I'll be reaching for you even though you be somewhere else, my love will go. On its way back home, I could never let you go, and I just want you to know I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's worth it all to spend my life alone with you. Ayan mo naman boses ko, Ma'am Chani. Overnight scenes, dinner and wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had tears, waking up lonely. The old town, it kept you down, till you don't know what happens means. I was dancing in dark with the strangers, no love around me. Suddenly you find me, oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world. You're everything to me, oh girl. Everything good, everything fine, that's what you are. Support your hands in mine, and together we'll climb as high as the highest stars. I'm living lifetime in the forever. Oh, oh, oh. Girl, you're my reality. Girl, you're every salang lyrics world. You're everything to me. Oh, girl. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy. You're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy. You're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world. You're everything to I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard to try. You deserve to have so much more. Ever criticize all you're ever meant to my life. I didn't want to let you down. I didn't want to lead you on. I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You're to me now. I don't want to live, don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You had never asked me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. Hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. For you and me, that we touch, I know it's lonely people in the world. Of all the people in the world, leave your mind. I exist. I will come through. I know it'll be fine. Of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, some things finally went right. Now there are two less lonely people in the world tonight. Tonight, here and now. There's two less lonely people in the world. I just can't believe your mom. Makuha! Diyos ko, tas-taas na. Thank you so much, the dreamers. Things nobody else can see. All of the soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't touch the man. She says, take me as I am. Come what may, she believes, and that for. Come what may, she loves me. That our love has helps me accept. When I turn away, she knows those are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it through. When I'm in the darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply let me be and go goes right on loving me. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I never know before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. And when it seems my dreams have all slipped through my fingers, they just get defined and turn around, and there they are, shining in my eyes. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that has helped me open that door, making me love myself. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I never known before. Come what may, just me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. I'm lying alone with my head on the palm, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but where else can we do? Tormented and turn apart, time to love. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, where I'm without you. I can't be too late to say home, away from this long, lonely night. Seems so right. And what you would say if I could on you now? Hey, please love me or I'll be gone. I'll be gone. I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know we're right. Believe for so long. I'm so out of love. But I'm without you. It can be too late to say that I was so wrong. Oh, what are you thinking of? What are you thinking? I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know we're right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love. Where am I without you? I can't be too late. I know that I was so right, so out of love, believing for so long. I'm out of love. Where I'm without you, I can't be too late. I know I was so wrong. Hi, Ma'am Sunny. Thank you sa tambay. my love had gone and left me lonely. I was not feeling like I just been used. Then you came to me, and my lonely left me. I used to think that I've started a heartache. That was a heartbreak, but now I have found you. Even nights are better. Now that we're hurt together, even the nights are better since I found you. Even the days are bright, even the nights are better since I found you. You, you know just what to do. 'Cause you had been lonely too, and you showed me how to ease the pain, and you did more than mend broken heart. 'Cause now you made me a fire star, and I can see that you feel the same way. I never dreamed there'd be some the nights are better. Now that we're here together, even the nights are better since I found you. Even the days are brighter. Even someone loves beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Hi, Ma'am Belle. I never dreamed with someone to hold me under. Now that we're here, times are better since I found you. Oh, even the nights are better. Now that we're here together, nights are better. Thank you, Ma'am Jane, sa palipad. Thank you so much. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come through, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. It's Nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come through, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't pass a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Trouble seems to often disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. You're near, my love, if all my friends have forgotten half their promises. You're not unkind, just hard to find. Best, I found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come through, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Smallest dreams won't come through, I can't last a day without you. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. You're in the voice that wakes me mornings and proud that it's quiet, listening to me of the few things worth remembering. Since it's all through, how could I look past you? There's no one beyond your eyes. Wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so in my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all through, how could anyone mean more to me than you? All my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. I mean more. just begun to live. White lace and promises, a kiss for luck, and we're on our way. So many roads to choose. We started walking and learned to us, watching signs along the way, talking it together day to day, together. And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow. And yes, we've just begun. Sharing horizons that are new to us. Watch, we're just the two of us, working together. And when the evening comes, we smile. So much of life ahead. We'll find a place where there's room to grow. Yes, we've just begun. On the first night that we met, together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face. But lately, little change, always finding some. But this is you. You love me for what you intend. Hope that I will be. If you're wrong, let me go. Thank you, Ma'am Bill, sa palipad. What do you want? I want to tend to keep you where I love to be. The picture of forever be designed. We either take each other for everything we are. Me, then love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only seeing me, must be free. And if you're only up, so let me go. come and go through the my chance could come and I might never knew. I used to say no press, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world. Fall enough to think that's what I'll find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight. I'm hanging on a hope that I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. Now I ask perfection of a quite imperfect. That's what I'll find. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask to think that's what I'll find. Malatutunlan ko. When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. Made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they go. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. And those songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so far. The part there's just breaking her heart, it can reform. It's yesterday once more. So much has changed. And they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories cry just like before. Every la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so every shing-a-ling-a-ling. Birds suddenly appear every time you are be close to you. Like two stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by. Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day you come, so this sprinkled mountains in your hair, of golden starlight in your eyes, Louis, all the girls in town follow you all around, just like you. And decided to create this sprinkled mountains in your hair, of course, starlight in your eyes. Blue is why all the girls in town like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Wow, close to you. Wow, close to you. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. Always get no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come through, I can't stay without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, lonely place, it's nice to know that you be there. It's all worth all less won't come through. I can't take on it. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I get really lost when you're near. When you're near, my love. If all my friends say just hard to find. I found the best when there's when my smallest dreams won't come through. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but when there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest dreams might come through, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I want less a day without you. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But babe, this is all we ever need. I've loved you, but babe, this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I never known. You showed me love you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, my life, you know how it's gonna be. I've loved you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. I know that friends are all we ever could be. You tell me things I never known, and you showed me love you never shown. But then again, when you cry, I always at your side. You tell me about the love you had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, but then again, but then again, I'm glad. till I met you more every day. I love you. It's never know what love, never know what love was till I met you. Oh, oh, you I should be together. Can't you see? Can't you see? I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. Bakit ganyan? Pag-ibig ko'y lagi daw ay hindi pagsasawaan. Ang iyong katangian. Damdamin ko'y ibang-iba. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ganyan. Damdamin ay di maintindihan magmula nang ikaw sana'y nauutal sa kaba kapag ika'y kausap ang ngunit malakas ang loob kung ikaw ay ewan kailangan ako'y nagmahal sa'yo magmula nang kita ay kilala. Ewan ko kung maintindihan kailangan ng pag-ibig mo dahil sa ako ang mahal sa'yo nagmula ng taay makilala. Ikaw ang Lindy, where are it? Hi, Sir Awit! Good morning! Hi, Ma'am Lindy! Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the true chance to even that you find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in, this was never ours. It's as if there world, the universe conspired to make you mine, until I was burned for you. Flawless people trying to come between us. None of them seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. So nothing was seems wrong here. Realize the world, and this really meant to be what we have the right day, until the day I die. Thank you so much, Solid Dreamers! But we have the worlds could never understand. I bless the day that's burn for you. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Solid. Thank you, Mom Rod Suporta, my fellow Ilongga. Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud right if it's a dream. The thing I want the world to be is now coming through, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest things to heaven, top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I find of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me the things that not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a blessed sense of happiness for me. There's only one wish on my mind. I'll be mine if you hear. Top of the world, explanation I guess, since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the down at the top. Finding out too late that they're lost it. Ay, naku, internet ko. Oh, tuyok. Ay, naku, naku. Dalawa yung mga moms. The moon above, cause its magic when two people fall. I may never know. All I need to know in this feeling, this dream I love. Get to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in the world that's full of strangers. Get to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seems. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture I close my eyes. You come alive. Closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. She'll smile, twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we get closer, you and I. More, so much stronger than before. Why that seems like a dream, so much more, so it seems. I guess I have with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. Well, every little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Ay, napnet ko. changes in my life. Thank you so much, Solid Dreamers. I was not so happy being lonely, living without you. So I prayed so hard for your love in my heart and this sky. And I'm thinking, why, oh, why? These are all the many changes in my life. After all the caring and the laughter, no one else like you. I am not the pretty the changes in my life. And I never forget your love. You and I, we were meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all the many changes in my life. Listen to these words I want to give you, and our love so true. Don't forget I love you and I need you. I'll always be with you. So I just look up in the sky and I find out why, oh why. These are all the many changes in my life. And I never forget your love. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. Just they're all many changes. And I never forget your love. You and I, we're meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I are all the many changes. These are just in my life. These are all the many changes. These are all. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel the love that beautiful I knew. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. So hard, so much I need you now. And now, sir, think of it. inside again, 'cause every time I look at you and now we're starting over again. I will love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lovers and friends. We are starting all over again. If we never live alone, we might never know all the time we spent apart. All we did was break its other heart. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful. I knew this time I love you even better than I ever did before. And you're being my heart forevermore. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do inside again. Every time I look at you, nadula na ko, guys. Wala man internet ko. Dili, oy, Mari Menchi, oy, mahiya naman tayo dyan sa office. Maawa ka naman. Gaputol-putol gani, kay putol man ang akong internet. Nako, di nagsabay-sabay naman. Helpful life. Thank you so much, Sir Rapsir Tanago. Thank you. I can say goodbye to you, my last song. Thank you so much sa pagtambay. Solar Dreamers and friends. Thank you so much. You say better. Ay, hindi. Erase. Erase ko makuha. Ma'am Sangayan, salamat. Ma'am Jen Mix, thank you. Wak ba ko yung pamahaw? Nagutom na di ako. Killing Me Softly, last song. Thank you so much. Trying my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Ay, ang tuyok-tuyok man. softly with his song, tell me all life with his words, killing me softly. I heard he had a so I can't why. My eyes strong my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. Hinayakon. Thank you, 21 million. I felt all flushed with fever, embraced by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read it one out loud. Diyos ko, gatiyog-tiyog ako net. Pakawian yan ko ni oy. I prayed that he would finish, but he just keep right on. Swallowing my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his song, killing me softly with his song. He sang in there. Did he look right to me? Diyos ko! Ang hina-hina ng net ko. Sorry. Ikat ko na to, ikat. Iba na lang. Thank you, 19 million. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Solid Dreamers. Putol, sorry. Putol lang lyrics. Ay, Diyos ko, yung internet ni. Seni all. Dali na lang ko mag-end, mga moms. Last song na lang, kaya lang puto-puto ng lyrics. Sorry po. 19 million in the house. Thank you so much. Heartbroken. My eyes are not the first. I'm not the first to know ang internet ko gatuyok-tuyok. Was willing. Wait for you. But baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. Hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love. Ay naku, ang internet. Naku, putol-putol. 21 million in the house. Thank you. Di stable ng net ko ngayon. One in love. Life in a moment in space. When the dream is gone, it's a lonely place. But down inside, you know we're dreaming high. The road is narrow and long when eyes eyes, and the feeling is strong. I'll turn away from the wall. I stumble and fall, but I give you it all. A woman in love, and I do anything to get you into my world and hold you within. It's a right I defend over and over. What do I do? When you eternally mine in love, there's no measure of time. We plan it all at the internet. Putol na naman. Shinso. Thank you so much. Walang iwanan. Naku, putol na naman. tutudlan ko. Ay, naku. 5 minutes na lang more. 5 minutes more to go. Thank you so much. $19 million in the house. Thank you so much. Kung tayo'y matanda na magbago, kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo kayang ako'y hagdan at yakapin. Nagtatanong mo kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mga ngarap ang nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi ko. Thank you so much. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, kahit mapuko. Thank you so much. 18 million in the house. Till next time.